In this video, we'll show you how to use string functions to transform character variables. When working with character variables, especially text entered manually, you may notice inconsistent capitalization. For example, the same value might appear in uppercase, lowercase, or a combination of both. Before analyzing your data, it's often a good idea to standardize the text, so that the capitalization is consistent throughout the dataset. This is important, because SPSS treats values with different capitalization as different strings, even if the letters are otherwise identical. To make this task easier, SPSS provides several built-in string functions. In this video, we'll focus on two of the most commonly used ones, uppercase and lower. The uppercase function converts all characters in a string to uppercase, while the lower function converts them to lowercase. Now let's look at our sample dataset. The variable major is a string variable that contains open-ended responses, describing each respondent's college major. Let's start by creating a frequency table for this variable. Go to Analyze menu in SPSS, then select Descriptive Statistics, and then Frequencies. Move the variable major into the variables box, and click OK. Notice that the frequency table contains many categories. Some of them appear to be duplicates, differing only in capitalization. For example, we may see accounting with A uppercase, and accounting with a lowercase, or art history with H uppercase, and art history with H lowercase. Although they look almost identical, SPSS treats them as different values because the capitalization is different. If we want to combine these categories into a single value, we'll first need to standardize the capitalization. One way to do that is to convert all of the text to either uppercase or lowercase, using a string function. First, go to the Transform menu in SPSS, and select Compute Variable. In the Target Variable field, enter a name for the new variable. Let's call it major lowercase. Next, click Type and Label. Change the variable type to string, and set the string length to 58 characters. This matches the length of the original variable major, so none of the text will be truncated. Click Continue to return to the Compute Variable window. Notice that the formula box is now labeled string expression instead of numeric expression, because we're creating a string variable rather than a numeric variable. In the string expression field, enter the following expression: lower, open parenthesis, major, close parenthesis. Then, click OK to create the new variable. Let's verify that the new variable major lowercase has been created successfully. You should see major lowercase in the last column of data view, or at the bottom of variable view. If you don't see the new variable, something may have gone wrong during the computation. We can also review the syntax that SPSS executed, by looking at the log in the output viewer. If there was an error in the expression, the output viewer would typically display an error message. Here, you can see that the computation was executed successfully. Now, let's create another frequency table for the transformed variable. Go to Analyze menu, then Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. Move major lowercase into the variables box, and click OK. Notice that the categories that previously differed only in capitalization have now been combined. As a result, their counts and frequencies are also combined into a single category. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.